Hello, boys and girls. We are in Lesson 9, and we are going to be doing pages 131 and 132 in our Journeys Reader's Notebook, and this is Grade 1, Volume 1. So, we're going to first begin by reviewing sentences. So, sentences make sense. They have two parts. And when you read them, they make sense. They don't make sense, they're not a sentence. And sentence tells who did what. So right here it says, well, we'll look up here. Who, says who, the big black cat. And what does a cat do? Sits in the sun. The big black cat sits in the sun. That's a complete sentence. It says who, that's the black cat, and did what? Sits in the sun. So you tell me if these are complete sentences. They have to have two parts, who and what they did. So my dog ate its food. My dog, that's who, ate its food. That's what the dog did. So this is a sentence. The bus came late. Is that a complete sentence? Does it make sense? The bus came late? Okay, the bus, that's what. When they say who, they mean is it a person, place, thing, or animal? That's what they mean by who. So don't get caught up in that. The bus came late. Came late is what the bus did. So we're going to underline that. The bus came late. It makes sense. Eat lunch at school. Eat lunch at school. Did it say who ate lunch at school? No. If they would have said, the children eat lunch at school, that would have been a complete sentence. Right here, it's just telling us what they did, what someone did. So I'm not going to underline that. It didn't follow the rules. Besides, it doesn't even start with a capital letter or end with an ending mark. The girls in my class. Is that a complete sentence? Did it tell what they did? No, it didn't tell what they did. It said who, the girls in my class, but it didn't tell what they did, so that's not complete. I'm not going to underline that. Besides, it didn't begin with a capital letter or end with an ending mark. Our family went to the park. Our family, that's who. What did they do? Went to the park. It makes sense. Our family went to the park. It's a sentence. So we're going to underline that one. And we're done. Let's move to, that was 131, and now we're moving to 132. So this is about planning a description. So we're going to be writing and drawing details that tell size, shape, color, color, and number. So what shall our topic be? What should we talk about? I think mine will be about a dragon. So if you want to copy mine, you can, because this is an introductory lesson. If you want to do your own, if you're comfortable writing, and you're going to tell me a size word, a shape word, a number word, and a color word for whatever your topic is, then go ahead and do it yourself. Otherwise, you can copy mine. So for my dragon, I want him to be huge. That's his size, huge. So I'm going to write huge. So what's his shape? Well, I think instead of using a shape, I'm going to just use like a texture word, like scaly. Because if I were to say shape, I'd have to like draw them out for you. So it's not going to really work with my topic of dragon. I'm going to just say he's scaly. Because those dragons are like reptiles. Scaly. And I think you just spell it with a Y. I might be wrong. It might be EY. I don't spell that word every day. And I don't have my dictionary to check. Scaly. Okay, next one is color. I think I'm going to have him be green. A lot of dragons are green. So I have a huge, scaly, green dragon. And then it's just one. So I'm going to write down one. So let me tell you my glorious descriptive sentence about my dragon. I see one huge, scaly, green dragon. Okay. And that is all. We're not going to be doing this one over here. We don't do these grammar and writings. We're just going to be finished with page 132. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for all that hard work. Toodaloo.